Hello guys, in today's video, we are doing urinalysis. Okay, ilipat lang natin yung sample sa ating test tube. Ayan, dapat 2/3 full siya before we are going to centrifuge it. So, kailangan balance guys pag nilagay natin sa centrifuge. Okay, set it. And while waiting for the centrifuge to be done, ayan, we are testing the urine's chemical composition. Okay, tingnan natin kung may abnormality using our 10 parameters reagent strips. Ayan. So, after 2 minutes guys, i-compare natin siya sa ating color chart at makikita natin kung may mga abnormal results. So, positive siya ng protein. Therefore, we are using this Extons reagent to verify kung talagang positive siya sa protein. Okay? Ayan. So, maglipat lang tayo ng equal amount. Okay? And then, we will mix it. Okay? And then, dito sa Extons test, we are testing for the turbidity, guys. At yung turbidity, i-gradean natin siya, okay? Tapat natin to sa mga letters. Ayan, hindi nakikita, guys. So, positive talaga siya sa protein, which is specific for albumin, yung sa reagent strips natin. Ayan, tapos na yung ating centrifuge. Tapon natin yung clear na part at kukunin natin yung mga nagsettle sa baba ng test tube. Okay? Ilipat natin siya sa ating slide. And this part, ito yung itetest natin or yung titingnan natin under the microscope. Okay? Ilagay natin sa stage. Ayan. And calibrate the microscope. So, yung red is yung scanner, yung yellow is yung ating LPO, guys. LPO ako agad. Okay? At ang makikita natin under LPO, charan! Ayan. So, marami talagang cells, no, na nakikita sa LPO pa lang. Ilipat natin sa high power. Ayan. This is used to determine which cells, kung ano ba yung mga cells yung nandun sa urine niya. Okay? Kailangan nating bilangin yung mga yan. And of course, this is our urinalysis result.